Okay, YouTube. So as you can see, I've done a lot of work. I had 78 bats, bundles of bats, insulation bats delivered last week. I didn't videotape that. I was busy. And I've done a lot of things. I just want to show you. So over here, you can see a little bit messy, don't mind it. I've been building my pecs. I've been doing my best to avoid 90 degrees. I know this is putting a little bit tension. I might, cut it, put 90 there. I put together the coil. You can see there, it's the two coils, the hot upper coil and lower coil, hot, are tied together in parallel. I don't know. I'm into electronics. I teach electronics, so parallel is the best circuit you can have. So, and this one here is ready to accept water, inlet water from the tank, and I put it together too. You can see that it's only electrifying it is what's left, and it goes up, it tees, and that water is supposed to come down into the tank at the bottom of the tank, right there. And then this one continues into the house, cold water, and the outlet for the hot water goes from there into, let me show you, what is it? This tiny hot water tank, tankless hot water tank, is the size of sheet of paper, literally. When I looked at it on Amazon, it looked so big, but it's the size of sheet of paper, 11 by 8. That's what it is. My inlet hot water is at 131. The maximum this one can heat up is 140. So it's always going to be hot water stored in there. And then this one is for cooling and heating. It's glycol in there. I did so only one pump left. So I'm sending that out to the heat pump. I gotta finish that up. Just few connections left. You can see it's all hooked up. Just few connections left. Okay. I'm doing a bunch of things simultaneously. So I'll build up, and I'm missing parts. I move on something else. I build up, I'm missing parts. I move on something else. I make a mistake, and then come back. That kind of thing. So, and then I make some changes of how I send my pipes. Okay. So you can see I built up my manifold. These are very, very, very tough to work with. The pipes are really hard to bend them, the specs pipes. And I have I started on my power panel, the 200 amp, that will take care of upstairs, and all my mechanicals is taken care of by this 200 amp. It's a 200 amp service. So I got this pipe that goes to the sub panel. Actually, it goes to the switch. It's right there. And then from the switch to sub panel, 100 amp sub panel. Up here, you can see I had all of this insulation. Samson, my cousin friend, and my cousin installed it. Rob is putting the poly on top. I laid down my IKEA stuff. My IKEA cabinet is laid down there. So my next project is to finish the electric outlets, finish my IKEA, finish my toilet, and then finish my PEX hot water, and then I should be ready to move in. All right, so wish me luck. This is R40. I think Samsung installed it using scaffolding. I didn't take a videotape, but we use scaffolding, and now we're putting poly on it. We're stapling poly. I did a lot of cleanup, as you can see. I vacuumed the floor, or excess lumber are gone. This area is clean, and just we need to put together this IKEA stuff, and 2 weekends I should be ready to move in. Hope so. Yeah, I got the insulation bats from Rona, and I'm a bit excited. We're getting close, so a bit excited. Okay, thank you.